Yeah, back to the ball game. Yeah, third quarter period. Yeah, 43-39 in favor of Holy Spirit sector. Yeah, inbound Bas Sibas. Yeah, Goyoni. Yeah, Mariano.
Dribbling the basketball, pass to Convicto.
Nice pass. Check ang bola. Madulas. Yang Goyoni. Check.
Agano. Mariana, shoot for three, no good.
Wala.
Convicto.
Yan ako, Bas Sibas.
Basibas, pass to Canapi.
Yeah, libre. Boy, Canapi. Yeah, 43-42. 1 point seed, Holy Spirit.
Hinahabol ng Fairview sector.
Yan, Piyasan.
Agano.
Ganon.
Pass to Convicto. Mariano for three, no
Wala.
good. Rebound, Canapi.
Yan, Canapi.
Canapi pass to Goyone, deflected, single.
Yeah, single.
Goyone. Pass to Diestro. Diestro open. Canapi trying to launch it. Then he released it.
Short. Tayong call, meron tayong technical for continuous complaining.
And we have a warning.
A warning.
It's jersey number 30.
Sorry, warning lang, warning, not technical. Ganon.
Agano.
Yan, ganon.
Agano pass to Mariano. Binigay kay Mamatlalo.
Mamatlalo. Nice pass.
Yung finish.
Points.
Ibiasan. Dusty 2 points. Basibas. Setting up his teammate. Nagbibigay na ng instruction. Basibas. Penetrating. Wasiwas. Wasiwas yung Basibas.
2 shots.
First try, listen.
Yeah, second try.
Second try, basket substitution. Piyasan. Pass to Aganon. Aganon. To Villar. Turn out.
Points. John Vic.
Jersey number 17, John Villar. Basibas. Pass to Canapi. Canapi. 10 seconds on the
Yeah,
shot clock.
Canapi.
Canapi, winding down, take the shot.
Wow.
Foul, itong si Canapi.
Mariano. Yan, 2 shots.
First personal foul, second team foul. First right basket. Second right basket, 2. Out of 2 para kay Canapi. 47-45, 1 possession game. Maata na ang pensa, mananatili ang possession para sa Hall.
Yeah, symbol tayo, symbol.
10 seconds.
Yeah, 10 to shoot.
Piyasan setting off. Piyasan pass to Villar.
Yan, Chanbi.
Right post, yung on. Akin.
Points. Piyasan.
Jersey number 18. Piyasan.
Yeah, 49-45 in favor of Holy Spirit.
Pass to Basibas. Basibas. Top of the key. No
Wala.
good. Rebound.
Yan ang wag Goyoni.
Goyone. Pupunta na. Goyone pass to Canapi. Canapi for Duane. No
Wala.
good. Mariano for the rebound. Mariano to Villar. Mariano once again. Back to Villar. Pass to Piyasan. Piyasan shoot for Duane. No good. Rebound battle. Convicto. Pass to Villar. Pass to
points.
Two
John B.
points coming from John Villar.
Yeah, 6-point seed, Holy Spirit sector.
Masivas.
Yeah, 6 minutes and 30
6
seconds.
minutes and 30 seconds. 51.
Yeah, third quarter.
6-1 lead para sa sector ng Holy Spirit. Guyones. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Guyones shoot for three. No
Short.
good. Rebound battle. Diestro.
Yeah, 24 seconds shot clock.
24-7. Piazza. Pass to Candle, deflected. Piazza recovered. Piazza take the shot. Medyo madulas sa area na yun.
Yeah, Guyoni.
Guyones pass to.
Uli. Technical.
Isa natin buhay.
Holy Spirit. Wearing same number.
Yan o, Gatorade.
Jersey number 24.
Ayun o, may mga soft drinks pala din o.
Yeah, basket. Technical free throw.
Diestro receiving. Diestro take the shot. No good.
Yeah, follow up, 2 points.
Sibas.
Sibas.
John, that's the 2 points. Piazza. Piazza shouting his teammate. Binigay kay Convicto. We have a whistle.
Foul. Daso.
We have a reaching foul against Girls team.
Inbound, egg buhay.
Ibuhay, pass sa Piazza. Binigay kay Convicto. Convicto to Ibuhay. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound. Na kay Diestro. Pass to Basibas.
Yeah, bas.
Basibas. Pass to Goyone.
Uy, offensive foul. Kitang-kita.
That basket will not count based on our official offensive foul. Ang gagaling kay jersey number 23, Goyone. Substitution. Piazza pass to Piazza. Binigay kay Convicto. Convicto turn around. Convicto pass to Piazza. Piazza for the way.
Iyasan.
Basket successful three coming from Piazza. Basibas. Basibas. Goyone. We have a whistle. Down jersey number 29. Goyone. Pass to Diestro. Canapi. And we have a technical foul against jersey number 29, Buhay.
Egg buhay.
Faking a foul.
Yeah, picking a foul, egg buhay.
Buhay second personal foul.
Basket, technical free
Holy
throw.
Spirit sector. Guione, pass to Canapi. Canapi, shit for way. Yes, sir!
Yeah, 3-point Canapi.
From South
Nakakuberon lang ni Rep.
Ang layo ng binitawan ni Canapi. Ang bola na-
Check, ang bola.
Diestro.
Yan, Basibas.
Basibas. To Canapi. Canapi for way.
Back to back. 3. Canapi. Yan, laman na po ng isa. Ang Fairview sector.
Fairview sector. Umaampun sa labas. Uwilang sa loob. Ibuhay. Babawiin. Sasalay. Guione for the rebound. Guione.
Goyoni.
Guione to Canapi. Canapi for the win.
Short.
Ibuhay.
Yeah, 3 minutes and 50 seconds, third quarter.
Ibuhay. Ibuhay pass to
Check. Yeah, kick ball.
Babawi agad sa depensa.
Yeah, timeout, Holy Spirit sector. Yeah, back to the ball game. Yeah, 55-54, 1-point seed, Fairview sector.
Piazza. Piazza pass to Convicto. Convicto binigay. Kay Villar. No
Wala.
Rebound. Sena. Pass to Canapi.
Yeah, Canapi.
Canapi.
Ayan.
Ang layo. No good. Rebound version number 16. Villar.
Yan, John V.
Pass to
Yan,
Iguay.
Egbuhay.
Iguay, pass to Villar, pass to Con. Victor
Ay,
Villar.
foul.
From behind, pero may kasamang foul. Foul. Jersey.
Yan, 2 shots.
Victor.
Con Victor. Yan, basket.
From Victor.
Second try.
Second try missing. Ang bola na rin Kanapi.
Yan, deadlock at 55. Yan, 3 minutes. Third quarter.
2 minutes and 55 seconds. Basibas drive.
Check ang bola. Yan, Piyasan.
Piazza, pass to
Yan, Iguay, libre.
Check for the win.
Bang! 3-point. Egbuhay.
Dione against Piazza. Dione off the screen, binigyan ni Destro. Dione!
2 points. Goyoni. Pinulikat.
Nagkaroon ng breakdowns. Pakicheck po si Dione for that play. Pakicheck po.
Ayan.
Nasa naman natin mga fan. Thank you so much.
Yan, Piyasan.
Dudong all the way down.
Yan, Convicto.
Convicto gets a double team. Piazza, shoot for the way. No good.
Wala.
Donald Kanapi comes to
Yan,
Piazza.
Basibas.
Piazza. Basibas right. Pass to Goyon.
Yan, 2 points. Yan, lamang na po ng isa. Ang Fairview sector, 59-58.
Iguay, pass to Piazza. Piazza to Convicto. Saves it. Basibas. Piazza.
Yan, Mikey. Wala.
Brione. Brione. Hero.
Yan, 2 points. Goyoni.
61 and 58. Nasa Kirby na naman. Iguay play.
Traveling.
Violation.
Timeout, Fairview sector.
Training sa ating third.
Yeah, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Basibas.
Third quarter.
Pinupura yung depensa ni Convicto. Basibas, shoot for the win. No good. Pihagoso away from the play. A moment guys, a moment. A moment. Okay. Separation guys. Guys, paalala po. Paalala po, iwasan natin yung pagdumog. May mga taga-awat naman tayo guys. Iwasan natin yung pagdumog. Magkakapatid naman yan mga yan. Alam naman nila yan.
Wait for the final call ng ating officiating officer. Yan. Nagmi-meeting yung tatlong referee.
Sabit na yan daw, sabit. Sabit na.
Yan, 58-61. Yan, 3-point seed Fairview sector. 1 minute and 13 seconds.
First sequence po, we have a unsportsmanlike foul against jersey number 16, Matriano.
Yan, meron tayong unsportsmanlike foul, Matriano.
Charge sa bench ng Fairview sector for a proper bench decorum.
Yeah, meron tayong technical sa bench ng Fairview sector. Improper bench decorum.
Paalala lang po,
technical free throw.
guys. Kahit intense yung laban natin, kayo-kayo pa rin yung naglalaro.
Last throw.
Kay Kanapin.
Last technical free throw.
Fairview.
Yeah, 59-63 in favor of Fairview.
Pagalingan kayo dyan guys. Merong 30,000 cash and a resort accommodation sa Pansol, Laguna.
Yeah, Basibas.
Basibas. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Basibas. Take the shot.
Short.
No
Yan na ako
good. Send on. Put it back.
Yan, good boy, Sena.
Less than a minute remaining. Agana to Piazza. Pass to
Yan, good boy. Good kick off.
2 points.
Yan, apat kailangan Fairview sector, 65, 61.
Casivas. Top of the key. Shoot for play. No good. Put back.
Yes, Sena.
Piazza. Pass to Piazza. We have the whistle.
My foul.
So,
Sena.
jersey number.
Yeah, 20 seconds. Time remaining.
Piazza. Pass to Aganon. Aganon. Pass to Piazza. Shoot for Dway. No good. Rebound. Mariano saves it. Pass to Aganon. Aganon catch. Piazza.
Nice pass.
Bilis ng basahan. Convicto. To Piazza. Bagay na bitawan. Mariano Dway.
And a third quarter.
Of the third quarter.
Yan, score natin. 67-61. 6.6 Fairview sector. Back to the ball game. Yan, the moment of truth. Fourth and final quarter. Yeah, 67-61 in favor of
61,
Fairview.
67. 6-1 lead para sa Fairview sector.
Yan, at ganon.
Dribbling the basketball, off the screen, Aganon, pick and roll play, no good, rebound back, and Diestro, pass to
Yan,
Basibas.
Basibas.
Basibas securing the basketball. Basibas, pass to Diestro, binigay kay jersey number 23, Boyone Lucena.
Yan, gawan.
Abona Navarrotas, pass to Mariano.
Yan, Mariano.
Mariano, pass to Piazza.
Yan, 2 points kay Iasan.
Basibas to Canavi. Pass to Boyone.
Yan, Goyoni.
Boyone. With the wing the leg. Penetrating, take the shot. Anticipated. The ball now, Bordas.
Yan, Dor.
Mananang ball, mga naka-asul. Aganon stop. Shoot for the win.
Ah! Ay, short. Kapos bala. Kala ko pasok na.
Basibas.
Yan, Basibas.
Basibas. Pass to Diestro. Diestro fake. Second
Yan,
down,
Goyone.
Goyone. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Goyone. Pass to Canavi.
Uli!
Block sabi ni Mariano. Basketball. 7 seconds.
Yan, ibang Goyoni. Yan, Basibas.
Basibas, susubukan yung Rodrigo. Basibas ngayon. Yung pasa patalimon sa fly. Nakakaisana. Pass to Basibas.
Wala.
Dogger. Bordas. Ay! Miscommunication. Turnover.
Yan, bola ng Fairview.
Canapi. Canapi dribbling the ball.
Yan, Canapi.
Canapi. Canapi pass to Diestro. Diestro for the way. No good. Rebound Mariano. And 100 rebound. Aganon ngayon.
Yan, ganon.
Aganon pass to Convicto. Convicto. It's good.
2 points, Convicto.
That's 2 points.
Yan, 2 points in Fairview. 67-65.
Canapi. Pass to Basibas. Basibas down the middle. Basibas. Oh, Basibas.
Yeah, inbound Canapi.
Canapi on the inbound. Canapi pass.
Yan, Goyoni.
Goyone receiving. Susubukan yung Piazza. Goyone, pull jumper. No good. Rebound battle. Bordas.
Yan, Dordas.
Bordas pass to Convicto. Binigay kay Aganon.
Yan, ganon.
Aganon drive. Aganon
May foul. Yan, meron tayong foul. Meron tayong unsportsmanlike foul. 2 shots plus ball possession. Yeah, 2 shots.
Unfortunately, Diestro will be seated for 3 minutes of the ball game. You can come back by 4 minutes.
Yeah, plus ball possession. Yeah, 67.
Ganan pass sa Mariano.
66, yeah, 1 point lead.
Matlano, binigay kay Mariano. Shoot for play. No
Wala.
good. Rebound Canapi.
Yeah, Canapi.
Castro.
Yeah, Goyoni. Yeah, 2 points, Goyoni.
69 and 66. Piasan, pass to Dordas. Dordas made. Dordas drive. We have a whistle. The whistle is on the
Yeah, inbound.
Okay, si Basan. Si Basan. Oh, back to the ball game.
Yeah, Mamat Lalo.
May
Yeah, 2 points. Mamat Lalo. Yeah, Canapi.
Canapi. Canapi. Trying to throw.
2 points. Canapi.
Bakit naman ganun yan? Mariano. Mariano off the screen. Mariano pick and
Check.
play. Ang bola na kay Mamatlalo. Agad ang corner pocket.
Ah!
3 points.
Yeah, deadlock. Yeah, deadlock at 71. Yeah, Goyoni.
Guyone drive. Guyone bump it. Guyone.
Yeah, 2 points, Goyoni.
Aganon. Pass to Mariano. Mariano shoot for way. No good. Dordas. Take the shot. Missing. Rebound Dazo. Time. Comedy time out. Humanitarian consideration. Pakicheck po. Si Guyone. Leg cross na.
Hintayin niya na yan. Dalawa na.
Timeout! Purview sector. Yeah, 73-71, 2 point lead. Purview sector. Yeah, time remaining 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Fourth and final quarter.
Canapi against
Yang Canapi.
Their matchup. Ano mangyayari?
Canapi.
Separation play. Shoot for the
Ah! 3 point Canapi. Mabigat yun.
Dordas, papawiin!
Ah! 3 point Dordas.
Linis pa ng Dordas!
Yeah, symbol.
Canapi,
Yeah, Canapi.
napahirapan sa backcourt nito si Agano.
Foul Canapi.
Si number 9, Canapi. Canapi, second personal foul, balik ang possession.
Yeah, 3 points lead. 2 points lead. Purview.
Pass to Piasan. Piasan. Huli yun ni Masibas. Harap bola. 1 man on the floor. Medyo namumulikan na rin yung Basil.
Yan, out of bounds. Bola ng Holy Spirit. May pinulikan na rin.
Comedy na time out. Church namin yan sa comedy. Time out na yan. 4 minutes, 2 seconds.
Yeah, 4 minutes and 44 seconds. 76-74. 2 points lead. Purview sector. Back to the ball
4
game.
minutes and 44 seconds. 4. Piasan.
Iyasan.
Piasan off the screen. Piasan pass to Marian na fourth way. No
Wala.
good rebound. Dazo. Dazo pass to Canapi.
Yang Canapi.
Canapi on the run. Shoot fourth way. No good.
Wala.
Rebound Mariano. Mariano pass to Piasan.
Yan, Iyasan.
Piasan pass to Aganan. Aganan fade.
Nice pass.
To Convicto. Convicto no good. Rebound Arnold. Tapi ka na bola.
Yeah, symbol, symbol.
Convicto.
Yeah, libre.
Mariano fourth way. No good.
Dordas. Yeah, deadlock at 76.
6 ang ating talaan. Kanapi dribbling the ball.
Yeah, symbol. Yeah, Basibas.
Pinapalis kanyang mabulang isolation play. Gusto mabigay na ito si Basibas. Crosses over. Basibas right.
Check. Yeah, Mariano. Nawala ang bola. Yeah, Kanabi.
Kanapi short range.
Short.
No good. Rebound Dazzle. Dazzle no good. Dordas pasok.
Yan, ganon, tatlo.
Release. Agana no good. Rebound Bottle. The man is on the floor.
Yeah, Dordas.
Dordas. Pass to Agana. Agana good way. No good. Convicto. Pass to
Mariano. Ah! 3-point! Yan, lamang na po ng tatlo ang Holy Spirit sector.
Grabe. Umuulan sa loob at sa labas ng venue natin.
Yan, Basibas.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Basibas driving the lane, no good. And the possession. 10 seconds on
Yan, Basibas. Inulikat na. Yan, 79-76.
Mahaba pa ating oras. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Levi pass to Kanapi.
Yan, Kanabi.
Kanapi drive. We have the whistle.
May foul.
The ball is on the floor. Levi on the inbound. Levi pass to Kanapi.
Yan, Kanabi.
Kanapi pass to Levi. Levi. Nakita si Diestro. 5 seconds on the shot clock. No good. Rebound pass.
Wala pa rin.
Levi popping.
Suli. Yan, nakuha. Dordas. Yan, Mariano. Yan, na ganon.
Take it easy. Sabi ni Agano ni
Yan, 20 shoot.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Mariano big. Mariano pass to Dordas. Dordas.
Ay, Dordas. Ayan, may technical for taunting. Technical free throw for taunting Nelson Dordas.
Basket.
Yeah, last 2 minutes.
We have it also.
Foul, ganon.
Personal foul.
Yan, 81-77. 4-point seed. Holy Spirit sector. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Check ang bola. Yan, Mariano.
Take it easy. 81-77. Mariano pass to Convicto.
2 points, Convicto.
Kanapi. Shoot one way.
Yan, bola ng Holy Spirit. Yan, time out for review.
30 seconds.
Yeah, back to the ball game.
Aganon. They will try to secure the time. Aganon, mga kaagay, Levi, Dazzle. Dazzle. Pass to Diestro.
Destro.
Diestro ngayon sa ilalim. Pasibas. Pass to
Points,
Tuloy.
Basibas.
Back to pressure now.
Yeah, 79-83.
Mariano. Pass to Convicto.
Convicto.
Convicto pass to Piazza. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Yeah, 10 shoot.
Pass to Convicto. Convicto lay it off. No good.
2 points. Tiyasan. Oh, Tiyasan.
Miyasan.
Yeah, 85-79.
10 minutes remaining, 59 seconds. Kanabe.
Kanabi.
Shoot from away.
Wala.
Again, rebound. Kanabe.
May foul. Yan, puro pulikat na. Kabilaan.
Penalty play. Foul jersey number 22, Convicto. Convicto. Third personal foul, penalty situation. Nagsisi.
Lalong pumigas.
Ah!
Gago.
Aray ko, masakit talaga mga muscle.
Bukol eh.
Bigyan natin ng humanitarian.
Basa na eh.
Yan, basibas, hindi na rin kaya.
Parang walang palitan.
Umakat na yung kay Basibas. Unfortunately, we have a one more para kay Kanabe. Second, third try rather.
Yan, 85-81, 4-point seed.
Baka nakuha pa yung Kanabe. Kanabe ngayon, Kanabe shoot for three from downtown.
Nada ganon. Wow. Kanabi.
Foul jersey number 9, Kanabe.
Yan, Douglas.
Pass to Dordas. Dordas.
Yan, Alyan.
Bola na kaya kanan pass to Convicto sa tres.
Bang!
Pinawa na ni Convicto.
Convicto.
Two-point basket. Roll to now.
May foul. Ganon. Yan, 3 shots Kanabi. Yan, 3 shots Kanabi. Yan, basket. Kanabi unang tira. Yes. Yan, basket.
Second.
Lastro. Yan. Yan.
Third drive, missing
Wala.
Dordas for the rebound.
Yan, 30 seconds. For the final quarter. Foul.
Judy foul against jersey number. Warning for penalty.
Uy, foul.
So,
Yan, 2 shots. Wala, unang tira. Yan, lastro.
second basket. One out of the Dordas. Wala na.
Yan, 24 seconds. 88-83 in favor of Holy Spirit.
Kanabe. Nasa corner ang possession. I can see. Kanabe for the rim.
Wala. Wala pa rin.
We have the whistle.
Technical free throw. Ganon for unsportsmanlike behavior. Yan, basket.
Kanina mabukot.
Yan, 5.4 seconds. Yan, Esteban on the line. And end of fourth quarter.
Congratulations!
Yan, score natin. 89-84. PCQC Basketball League champion. Holy Spirit Sector, congratulations!
Congratulations!